Hey kinfolk, grab a fork and come sit with me because we're making the absolute creamiest lemon cheesecake bars today. Let's get baking. For this recipe you will need lemons, graham crackers, cream cheese, butter, eggs, granulated sugar, salt, flour, cornstarch, and pure vanilla extract. Start by crushing 2 packs of graham crackers into fine crumbs. In a bowl, combine 1 and 1/2 cups of crumbs with 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix until the crumbs are evenly coated. Transfer the mixture to a lined 8x8 pan and press down firmly into an even layer. Bake at 325 degrees for 10 minutes. Once it's done, set the crust aside to cool. While the crust cools, let's prepare the cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, combine 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then add the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Mix until the filling is smooth and well combined, making sure there are no lumps. Pour the filling over the crust and spread it into an even layer. Bake at 325 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. The edges should look set and slightly puffed, but the center should still have a little bit of jiggle. After baking, let it cool completely for about 1 hour before transferring it to the fridge. Chill for at least 4 hours to allow it to fully set. While the cheesecake chills, let's make the lemon curd. In a bowl, combine a half cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, add 2 large whisked eggs, 2/3 cups of sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, and the juice of 2 lemons. Whisk until everything is well combined. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and cook over medium heat, whisking continuously for 5 to 8 minutes or until it thickens and turns a translucent yellow. Transfer the lemon curd to a bowl and let it cool for at least 5 minutes. Once the cheesecake has fully set, pour the lemon curd over the top and spread it into an even layer. Refrigerate it for another 2 hours to let the curd firm up. Now that the lemon curd has set, cut the cheesecake into squares. And there you have it, creamy lemon cheesecake bars. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.